This video will walk you through the account setup and ordering process for the new Laticrete Hydroban Rapid Custom Shower System online ordering portal. To start, open your browser and visit laticrete.com/custom showers. From here, you can access the customer login page. Here, you can sign in with your email address and password if you've already created an account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up Now. Once you enter your email address, click to receive a verification code. Once you receive the code, simply enter it in the box and click Verify Code to continue to the final steps of the account setup. Once you successfully log in or create an account, you will have two options. The option on the left is limited to Laticrete vendors, distributors, sales representatives, and managers. We will focus on the option on the right, ordering shower components. Upon clicking the blue button, you will be directed to the welcome screen, which gives you a brief message and an overview of the program. From here, you can order shower pans, niches, benches and seats, and other accessories like ramps and extensions. Let's go through the process of ordering a shower pan. Once selected, you will see a visual of the different shapes and variations of pans that Laticrete offers. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll order the most common pan type, the square/rectangle. Next, you can choose between a point drain or a linear drain. Let's go with a very common 4x4 point drain that's going to be used in accordance with the bonding flange assembly. Above the drain assembly selection field is a labeled diagram that corresponds to the measurement fields we will enter a little bit later. One of the unique features of the Laticrete system is the option to get bare foam or to have the waterproof coating pre-applied. This saves you an extra step at a minimal cost for a faster installation. Next, you have the option to include a curb and a sealant. For a barrier shower or curbed shower, this is an option you will want to select, as it comes with a curb cut to the longest dimension of your shower pan and a tube of our Hydroban adhesive end sealant to adhere the curb to the pan. Next, we'll enter the measurements for the pan. We'll keep it simple and go with a 48-inch by 48-inch shower. So for the width and length of the pan, we'll enter 48. The next two fields determine the drain location from the left and back edges. Let's keep this simple as well and have our center cut 24 inches from the left edge and 24 inches from the back. Now, one of the other unique features of the Laticrete Rapid Custom Shower System ordering portal is for the pan thickness. We're going to auto-calculate the thinnest possible pan that adheres to the 1/4 inch per linear foot slope requirement. This will keep costs down and keep the thickness of the pan down for easier installation. You can increase the thickness if desired, but you will not be able to go below the auto-generated thickness, as this is the minimum thickness required by code. The surface area and price are auto-calculated as well to help estimate additional setting materials you may need. And as you can see, by changing the quantity, the ordering portal updates in real time. Let's continue with a single pan and add it to the cart. In the cart, you can see the specifics of the pan, as well as the price per piece and total price. We'll proceed to checkout, where we can once again verify the dimensions of the shower pan. After entering your billing address, you'll be prompted to select a preferred distributor and can search up to a 250-mile radius of your shipping address. This is a required step to proceed with your order. After entering your payment details, do a final review of the dimensions and specifications before checking the box and clicking Place Order. Please note that should you have any issues, you can contact your Laticrete sales representative or our custom shower team by email or phone. Once the order is placed, you will receive a confirmation email with the specifics of the order. That gives us the go-ahead to get started on your custom shower pan or shower component of choice, which will be completed and shipped within 3 to 5 business days. So be on the lookout for your shipping confirmation email with tracking information shortly thereafter.